If you know how much have been stolen in cryptocurrencies in the last year, 2022, 2021, you will know that it is important that you get every information you need to get. You know how to secure yourself and you know how to take advantage of every opportunity to be able to make money and avoid losses in cryptocurrencies by all means. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can escape being wrecked, how you can escape losing your money in cryptocurrencies with three portals that are actually verified that will help you get insider information about any cryptocurrency you are purchasing, and again some valuable tips on how you can actually make profits before the entire market knows about it. So if you see, look at this news that was dropped by this particular news agency, I think by BBC News. It says stolen $3 billion Bitcoin mystery ends with a popcorn teen discovery. So this is just a brief story about the U.S. Department of Justice seizing over 3.3 billion $3.3 billion of Bitcoin last year, which was stolen from a particular website. Then again, another information also shows here. You can see reports claims 90%, 97% of Uniswap tokens are rug pulls. Crypto Twitter has dubbed. So you can see now several amount over the years, like over the past years, several people have lost their crypto. Those who are new into crypto, who don't have any basic information about crypto, they lost their crypto because of lack of information, because they didn't have so much insider information. And those who had this information I'm going to be sharing with you were able to take advantage of them, avoid, cut all their losses, and were able to make several thousands of dollars with just this platform. So if you're new to this channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel. Make sure you like this video and you can turn on the bell icon to get notified once I release more video. My name is Chidi Finance, and what I do basically is I create videos, I create videos about making money online in areas like affiliate marketing, side hustles, online jobs, freelancing, etc. So I can help you build your health and build your wealth and grow your money. So let's get started. So one of the platforms I'm going to be talking about here is this platform called Coindex, coindex.com. So Coindex now is a news portal, a crypto news portal. It is just made for crypto news, so you can get information about cryptocurrencies. You know what is happening. You know about crypto founders, crypto CEOs, what they are up to. You know about exchanges, and you know insider information about what decisions they are taking. And this is very, very important because if you're into crypto, if you're investing your money in any potential, in any coin, you have to know what the founders are doing. You have to understand what it is their plans and goals are. You get information, know what is happening, so that you wouldn't lose your money, you wouldn't throw your money into something that at the end of the day you would lose everything. So this platform helps you to get every information. You can research any information you want to get about any crypto coin, any crypto personality, any crypto founder. Currently, if you have been following the news currently about the FTX collapse, FTX is an a crypto exchange platform that recently collapsed, and the founder of that exchange is Sam Bankman-Fried. So recently he was arrested, by the U.S. government, and his accomplice pleaded guilty and has been, I think, would be sentenced to jail. Would be sentenced to jail. He himself was bailed, and he was bailed with around $250 million. So now, this particular platform, like I said, would give you every details you have to know about the cryptos, because for whatever you are doing, you have to make sure anything that involves your money, you have to make sure you're following the details. So you come here, there's several information. So you can see here, Final Fantasy Friends Square Enix is bullish on blockchain gaming in 2023. And another thing with this platform, aside from knowing about the founders, knowing about a crypto exchange, you also get information about what sector are people investing their money in, what sectors are investors investing their money in, so that you too can take advantage of it. Because one thing about cryptocurrency is spotting sector or spotting a gem before it becomes widely known. So before it becomes widely known, you have to make sure you spot it, know what people are buying, know what the top investor hedge fund managers are buying, so that you can get ahead of the crowd. And once the crowd start getting in, you have already made a lot of profits. Like there was a coin I got, I think I remember I bought dot polka dots in 2020. I bought it at $4. I think was it, it was not even $4, 3 point, I think three, was it 3.5 or $3.7? And in 20, was it 2020? Yes, early 2020. And before the end of 2020, I sold my dot at $32. Currently, I think it went up in 2021, it went up to as high as $57 for one dot. Now, if because I got the information early, that was why I was able to take advantage and I made that kind of profit. But several other people, but those who maybe got it at $57 when it got to the peak are at a loss now, because the market has dropped currently, and dot is around sitting between $6 to $7 per dot. So that's one beautiful thing about the market. That's one beautiful thing about this video. So I want to show you these things will help you spot gems on time, get so that you can get in on them and make your profit and pull out before it becomes saturated or before it drops. So that's one thing. This platform shows you, gives you information on time information. So you know what's happening in the US, you know what's happening in Asia about crypto, every details about crypto, so that you can make advantage, make money in the process. So I think this particular company, Celsius, recently declared bankruptcy. So there are several informations you need to understand. This platform, near protocol, optimized for disruptive developers. So if you're a developer, you need to read this information so that you know how to take advantage of it and make money before the bull season or even in the bear market currently. First mover is share. Why is strong founder Justin Sun keeping some of his coin in Valkyrie digital assets? So this platform exposes you to informations about crypto stakeholders, crypto founders. So you listen to several intelligent debate about them so that you have information. Because one problem we have as in third world countries like Nigeria and Africa is that we don't have access to information, and even when we get access to this information, we hardly read and study them. That's the reason why we lose our money we lose our money on a daily, if not daily, on a constant basis. So it's something you have to take note of. Another platform I'm going to be sharing with you is this platform called Poolcoin Chat. Poolcoin Chat. So this platform now is it helps you to analyze and vet several tokens, so you know what token is legit, so that you wouldn't lose your money. So all you just need to do is to come over, just go to type poolcoin.app. If you want to search for any coin and make verify that coin, just come here. You can just type the token name, like let's say Shiba. You can type Shiba Inu, Shiba Inu. It's going to show you a list of coins bearing that name. So if it's a name that is if it's a name that is owned by that other people, that several coins have. You see several lists of them. So you can see there's baby Shiba Inu, there's King Shiba, there's Shiba Inu, there's baby Shiba Flocky. So if you don't know the one you are buying, you can lose money in the process if you get into any of these ones. So it's important you can come here and you can get the contract address of any coin you want to get. And what is contract address? Is this little number you're seeing that starts with 0x25859. Get correct address, because it's very, very important. People usually scam people when the market is up. The market, when there is bull market, or when there's a particular interest in a particular coin, people used to come up with wrong contract address, so that once you purchase them, they'll steal your money from you, or they can get access to your wallet. So it's important you know about this. Then, so what we do now is, since we are looking for Shiba Inu, we'll click on Shiba Inu so that we can get information. Remember, what we want to do, we want to vet if this information, we want to know if this coin is legit, we want to know if it's something we can invest our money, we can get return in the end. So what we're going to do now, we'll come here, have to search. So the total supply here is around 7 trillion. The current market cap is at 60 million. Now, Shiba Inu's market cap is more than this. Remember, if you search this particular platform is mainly for Binance BSC token. So it's the coins that are linked with with the in the that are in the Binance chain. Very very important that are in the Binance chain, not the ones that are in the Ethereum chain. You know there are several chains. So this one you only vet coins in the Binance chain, the Binance Smart chain. So you can see here now, how do we know if this coin is actually legit? Now, first of all, when we come here, you can discover that you see that there are about three exchanges where you can swap this coin for money. And when you come here, you discover that each of them have a large number of this Shiba Inu, so they have liquidity, which means that anytime you want to sell, you can actually sell. This one has it. This swap has over $237,000 of liquidity of this Shiba. So it means if you have up to $100,000 of Shiba, you can actually sell. But how do we know that a coin is a scam? Now let's look for a simple coin. Let me look for a coin like let me see which coin. Let's get this coin. Let's see something. Shinja. Let's look for Shinja. There's a coin named Shinja. Now look at, let's come here, Shinja. Okay, let me click on it. Now you discover a lot of things with this coin. So I'm going to be sharing with you some important facts. Now this is the price of the coin. Now discover that to be able to purchase this coin, there's an information here. So you have to buy it. They will tax you $10, 10% of any money you want to purchase to buy this coin. So let's say this coin, the price of this coin is 0.001113 dollars. Let's see, 0. Let me make this small so that you can see it. Make it small so that you can see it here. 0.001304.7, and that's the price of this coin. Let's assume you want to get about 10,000 pieces of this coin. 10,000 pieces of this coin multiplied by 10,000. Let's see how much it's going to cost. It's going to cost you $13 to purchase this coin, 10,000 pieces of this Shinja coin. But then they say they're going to charge you 10% of this money to be able to buy it. So multiply this by 10%. Multiply this by 10%. So it means you're going to pay for every $13 you want to use to purchase, you're going to pay $1.3. This is actually very, very high. This is the first sign um, you have to take note of, that this coin is actually something you have to avoid, because once they charge you for that kind of amount to be able to buy, then it's actually very, very fishy. Another thing is, aside from the buy tax, there's another sell tax. So these people are not interested in making you money, interested in taking more from you. So to sell it, if you want to sell this coin, they'll charge you an extra 12% again to be able to remember. When you buy, they charge you 10%. When you want to sell, they also charge you 12% extra to be able to withdraw. So this is one sign to show that this coin is actually very, very fishy. And if you don't use a site like Poocoin, you will not even know that you are being taxed. Just when you want to buy, discover that if you use $13, if the coin costs $13 and you use $13 to buy, all you'll be receiving in the end is around $9 worth of this coin. Then again, their market cap is actually very, very fishy. They have a $1,300 dollar market cap, which is very, very low. It means there is no activity. And again, their liquidity is just $1,000. $1,000. So it's actually very, very low. Meaning that if you have above $1,000 of this coin, you cannot sell, because the liquidity is very, very low, and you can only sell when you have $500 to be able to for it to sell. Then again, let's see how many holders they have. Let's see those who have this coin. Now this is something we want to vet this coin. Let's see. Let's know how important it is. Now look at this coin. The coin has only 57. Okay, I think I'll still go back. I'll compare this. Let me open a tab for Shiba Inu so that I will show you what I'm talking about. Poocoin. Poocoin. Okay. So here they have 15,000 thousand. They have, sorry, they have 57 address. That's people who own this coin. 57 at now. Very, very important. Another information you have to take note of. Every coin you buy, you want to know a coin that is actually very, very good. You shouldn't, one person, the owner shouldn't own up to 90% of that coin. If the owner owns 90% of that coin, it means the coin can rock pull. Like you got this sort of information here on Uniswap. Uniswap is another exchange, but Uniswap trades Ethereum coins and tokens. So they can actually rock pull from you. So you can see here, this one has 9%, this one has 1%, this one has this contract here holds about 81% of this coin. Meaning at any time, if I'm to go into the details of this, discover that this coin, someone, the owner has access to it, and as he has access to because he has access to it, anytime he decides to take out profit, the entire people who get into this coin will lose out. Like you can see here in Coin. So what we're going to do now, the next step is, okay, I told us I wanted to let's vet Shiba so that we'll see the difference between this one and that one. So this platform helps you check some details about the coins you want to buy so that you know whether the coins are legit or not. Coins are legit or not. What we're going to do, let's see. Let's see this. Okay. I think this is taking a lot of time to load. So now the last platform I'm going to be showing you now is the Binance platform. So there's a platform called Binance. We all know Binance. Now Binance is a crypto exchange. Now Binance have a feature known as Binance News, and this is where you get news about several coins you are buying. You know the latest updates. You know what it is that is happening around. Now with this information, you will know which coin has the best community and which coin will stand the test of time. 'Cause we are, of course, we're in the bear market, and coins that constantly pop up in the news are coins that would that will have they either last long or would fall. Like FTX have been in the news for a couple of weeks now, so they have already dropped now. But we have this platform currently, this particular coin, this particular coin, the Ethereum name series, has been in the news throughout this bear market. So it's actually a very, very good coin. You can actually get into, purchase, invest in, and you get profit. So those are the three platforms you can use to be able to cut out losses and make the most gains in the cryptocurrency market. So I believe this video brought a lot of value to you. If it brought a lot of value, please do well to hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe, turn on the bell icon, and make sure you share this video to others so they can get access to information like this. Again, do well to watch this video that's shown on your screen. YouTube recommends it for you to be able to make money online. See you in the next video.